Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aprianto Kiswoyo, NIM 1010004, Class Civil Engineering 1B. In connection with achievement of English course How to Make Steps, I will explain the steps on how to make Polaroid photo in Photoshop. For that, see and follow the steps in order to make it work. How to make Polaroid photo in Photoshop. Support tool, printer, A4, paper, laptop, and scissors. The steps: first, open the Photoshop application. Second, click Ctrl+N to create a new worksheet. Then set the A4 size paper. Make poses using the rectangle tool. The trick is don't click once and then reach the size of the box, for example 7 multiple 10 cm. Four, set the number and layout of the box according to your taste. To add to the box, press Ctrl+G and adjust the scale of the box. Press Ctrl+T. Five, create a group by Ctrl+G to group the layer into a groups. Six, create a box again to place the photo position. Seven, set the fill or box color according to task. Eight, set the number and layout of the box according to task. Press Ctrl+G and press Ctrl+T. 9. Create another group with Ctrl+G. 10. After finishing marking the box,
Then enter the photo into the Photoshop application that will be made by Polaroid. 11. Insert the photos one by one into the Polaroid sheet. 12. Double-click on the photo screens, then hold the mouse over the photo and insert it into the Polaroid sheets. 13. If the photo size is too large, press Ctrl+T to adjust the blue color box. Also, adjust the photo rotation to fit the blue square. Fourteen. Arrange the location of the photo layer above box 1. Then hold down Alt press the clicks on the photo. The photo will automatically enter into the blue box. 15. After the photo has entered the size box, then press Ctrl+P to adjust the printer setting. 16. Make sure the printer and A4 paper are ready, then click OK or print. 17. Wait for the photo printing process to finish.
Finally, cut the Polaroid photo according to the existing pattern using scissors. Okay, I hope the tutorial is useful. That is all and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.